Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Microsoft Teams, you should just go to settings. After that you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Microsoft Teams. Then this page of app info, we click on first step and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Microsoft Teams. If you will find your update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.